How to connect your Spotify account with your Facebook account easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Spotify account with your Facebook account easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Spotify. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner right here and click on the wheel, and now click on your profile, click view profile, and this is my profile. Now go to the top corner right here and choose find friends, click on the find friends option, and now you will find this option right here. You can connect your Facebook account from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.